Hello class, it's Instructor Paige and welcome to week 4. We are almost halfway through the course. Now, just like last week, I wanted to give you some tips for the week. I wanted to let you know it's going to be a very busy week. There is a lot going on this week and it can feel overwhelming, but we are almost halfway there. You can do this. Now, first, I wanted to give you a heads up about the midterm. Now, this will include the chapters from this week as well. I know that seems like a lot, but it's only 16 questions, so about one question per, theory chapter kind of thing. To make it easier, because it can be overwhelming, it is untimed. Now, if it is timing you or being really weird, let me know. Blackboard can be weird that way, but it's untimed. It's 16 short answer. That way, I can see that you understand the theories. You can use notes and things like that. I recommend looking at all the theories that we covered, including the ones from this week, and just kind of writing, a sentence or two about what those theories are about. That kind of helps keep it in your memory. Now remember, this is 10% of your total grade in the course. That's a full letter grade, and that can be overwhelming. That's why it is untimed. So reach out to me if you have any questions, and I'm happy to help you. Another thing this week is we're finally, picking what theories we are going to use for the final project in week 8. The final project, you'll be doing a 3 to 5 minute presentation, so yes, it will be video, about the theory that you chose. So this week, it's really quick. It sounds intimidating, final project check-in, but you're just telling me what theory you chose and why. That way I can give you tips or resources of like, hey, great theory, and then I'll kind of guide you on some tips and some articles to kind of help you. And next big thing is look ahead to next week. I know this week is busy, but next week you will be working together. So that means you'll be working as a group to create a presentation about the theories next week. So you'll have to make sure you reach out to each other and really work together, because I know having different schedules can make it difficult. So this week I'll be opening that up. That way you can start the communication process and picking the leader, that kind of thing, for the group project. So this week, I know it's a very busy week. We will get through it. I promise it gets a little bit easier after this. You will have 5 chapters to read this week. That sounds like a lot. I do recommend skimming through them and writing what each theory is about, and then, maybe watching the video lectures, because that'll help it stick. And that's to help with the midterm. They will be covered in the midterm. And then, of course, we'll have our discussions as we do. And the assignment this week is pretty fun. I wanted to make it a little bit different since you'll have that midterm, and you'll be marketing a product. So this week we are learning about persuasion and rhetoric and those kind of theories. So you will use those theories to sell something. Now, it can be anything you want. It can be a product that's not even real. Anything that helps get the creative juices flowing. So if you have any questions about the assignment, about the midterm, or even about the group project, to let me know. I know it's a busy week, but you can do this. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and I hope you have a wonderful week.